Hi there. Let's talk percentage change. Now, to increase or decrease a quantity by a given percentage, first we find the amount the percentage change represents, and then we apply it to the original quantity. For example, if VAT is 20%, find the final price of an item that originally cost £225. Now, so basically what's going on here is there's an item that costs £225 and a 20% VAT 20% VAT has been applied to this. So raising the price of this item by 20%. Basically, that's essentially what the question is asking us to do here. All right, so to do this, first we find what 20% of 225 is. We do 20 divided by 100 multiplied by 225. That gives us £45. And then to find the final price, we apply £45, we add 45 to 225, and we have a final price as £270. Now, that's one way to go about it, okay? But then my preferred method for doing this is expressing the percentage change as a decimal. Okay, now it's much easier to work percentage change by expressing the percentage change as a decimal, and trust me, this comes in really handy when you start doing reverse percent. Hi there, let's talk reverse percentages. Okay, so in the last lesson we talked about percentage change, and I explained to you how it's usually best to express the percentage change as a decimal and then apply to whatever value you're looking to increase or decrease by a percentage. Now, reverse percentages, as you'd probably guess, works in reverse. Okay, so now sometimes we'll give you the final amount after a percentage change has been applied, and then ask to solve for the original amount. So it's basically reversing the application of a percentage change. So for example, a 15% discount was applied to the price of a t-shirt. If its new price is £25.50, calculate the original price of the t-shirt before the discount was applied. So there has been a 15% reduction applied to an original amount, and then we ended up with £25.50, and now we're looking to find the original amount. Now, the best way to go about doing this, if you recall what I explained to you in the previous lesson, that to apply a percentage change, express the percentage change as a decimal, and then just multiply your value by that result, by the decimal. Now, if you were looking to do that in the reverse,